FRANZ Pumaren won't lose sleep after his Adamson side lost its twice-to-beat advantage in the UAAP Season 81 Final Four after University of the Philippines' 73-71 victory on Saturday. "You look at my face. Do I feel concerned?" he asked reporters as he turns his attention to the winner-take-all Game 2 on Wednesday. Pumaren's optimism stemmed from the fact that despite the Soaring Falcons playing subpar in the duel, with his stars stifled as the team collectively shot 1 of 22 from downtown, as well as committing 18 turnovers, they were just one possession away from taking the victory. "We played like shit. We played bad, but we were still able to recover. Probably if it was the old team, wala na, tambak na yun. But it shows now we can still always make a comeback," he said. Adamson battled back from a 13-point lead, 54-41 late in the third quarter, as usual suspects Jerrick, Ahanmisi and Manganti got their groove late to set up the pulsating finish. For Pumaren, the 2-point defeat should be seen with more positivity given that the game was that close despite the Soaring Falcons looking hardly like themselves. "If you look at the game, I don't think you saw the Adamson style of play in it. If you look at the other side of the coin, in spite of us playing bad, we were able to recover. It's just that down the stretch, we made some mental mistakes," he said as Bright Acuity scored the game-winning undergoal stab with 2.6 seconds left. It's now 2 straight games that Adamson fired blanks from Rainbow Country, with it shooting 4.7% from beyond the arc through those defeats to Fu and up. Pumaren, though, just shrugged off these struggles and attributed it as another bad shooting night for the boys from San Marcelino. "Even me right now, I'm totally retired and I can shoot better than 1 of 22, he said. "I feel confident that we're still gonna make it. It's a learning process on the part of the players. I'm still confident that we can bounce back